In the laboratory, we can cultivate germs in order to study their behaviour in detail. Experiment 2. An experiment was carried out to cultivate the Millenius mitoteem germ. The Millenius mitoteem germ is unique to one specific branch of moth, the brown maiden, seen here in our gribbin. The brown maiden is normally found in shrubland and thickets and feasts on tiny grubs and leaves. It's a different sort of moth to one you might enjoy in a sandwich. They have a rather bitter taste, but are ideal for our experiment. A lamp is turned on, and the brown maiden begins its futile flight. As it flaps its tiny wings, they brush up against the inner walls of the gribbin. The wings are rich in mitoteem, and soon the walls are coated in the germ. The moth is now free to stay or go. Next, a cotton bud is used to scrape off germ samples from inside the gribbin. These are then wiped in a petri dish containing a culture of agar. And the germs are now left to grow overnight. The next morning we can examine the results. Have your pen and paper ready. A strange reaction has occurred in the middle of the petri in the middle of the night. The mitoteem germs have multiplied so fast that they have bonded to form a plant-like organism. Note the little leaves at the peak. And underneath, tiny apples. This is a fruit-bearing bush. It's called Lepidopterus arboratus, or moth apple tree. Moth apples are smaller than crab apples, sweeter too. But don't be tempted to eat them, because they're highly explosive.